Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use Find My on any Apple device, either it's your iPhone device, Mac series, or of course iPod, iPad, or any Apple Watch. How you will use their Find My, because this is a fantastic feature that has been developed by Apple. In each Apple device, it's a given for security concern and of course for security strength. So how we will use and what kind of the issues that we can address by using this Find My, let's learn in this video tutorial in detail. So firstly, if you are unable to enable it, so this is a Find My. Simply just I will go in a setting, and now I would like to show you. After coming in a setting, guys, just to see, let me firstly close it. Let me close everything firstly. Now see guys, I will come in a setting. After coming in the setting, simply I will type here in this search bar Find My, FIND. So this is a Find ID. We have to click on here Find ID. Now if I click here Find ID, you will have option to visit this one. So I will click on here. Now see, it's on already. If it is off, then you have to on. When you on it, you will have to enter the password of actually your Apple ID that you have generated while the purchasing the device. Yeah, if you have old one, then of course when you were used to first upset of this device, that's one. So now I have already entered this one. Now see guys, if I would like to off this Find My phone, it will demand a password. It means I am a genuine owner. If I would like to off this device, whenever, of course, I can do it. Otherwise, no one can do off this. Yeah, no one can turn off this. Especially Find My this application or this features in any Apple device. So in that situations, now let's learn the feature of this one. Suppose in a one incident I have lost my phone. Now I don't have any things to quest of this device. So first and foremost, see guys, in a Find My phone, if I click here, it's always tracing all the location that where you're visiting and where it is your device. So it's already on there. Now see guys here, if I go by clicking on device, now see one device is on this. Now at the moment for battery saving, I did a turn off this location. I will have to on, but see guys here, if I click on this arrow here, on arrow here, let me see guys. Firstly, let me click on this me on an option. We have a share the location. So directly if you would like to share your location, that where you are, to your friend, directly you can click on this here, share the location. Your friend will automatically trace to you that where you are. Simultaneously, of course, you would like to bill to anyone. Suppose on a one ID you have given someone's any other Apple device, there is a similar ID, then of course where and how they are doing and what they are doing. If you would like to alarm, of course you can build a bell, and of course it will be valling. How it is so, let's see. Suppose you have lost your phone and you don't know what's the location exactly. So location that can be also traced simultaneously. Of course you can set off this device also by using Find My. So how it is, see here, I would like to show you. Firstly, I would like to tell you one thing more. You can trace the location in your device also, where you are and what's your current location. That's what also you can here. So see guys, here we have a three option. By clicking on this I, you would like to see in a hybrid, yeah, satellite, yeah, of course, miles, yeah, kilometer, of course you can have. So let me have on basis of especially satellite. Now see how it will works. Now see, of course you will design and you will go in a detail of particular location there where it is your device, and it will works like that a campus also, guys. Yeah, it's a given. So it's a good Google map also, you can say. Yeah, of course duplicate of especially uh, Google Maps. Second one is a very important feature here. You would like to see that on what's the location, what the people are doing on any big building, yeah, anything else. Then how you will just, I mean, use this. Just you need to click on this I, and here we will go on a hybrid, and of course exactly we can trace the location, any location on there, on a exact, we will click there to see of exact location uh, on that, especially in that, especially in the ground, what's it doing, how many cars are there, everything you can trace by using this. Of course it will take a, it's a totally dependent on the internet frequency and internet speed, how it's, and of course exactly you can see by standing, by operating your device, you can see exact location, what are things around there, everything you can by using this. Of course it will come in a detail, but it will take a time. Just here is a internet speed is quite slow, so that's why, guys. So see here, you can go in a detail, everything you can trace. But very most important things, suppose in a case, guys, you have lost your device, what you will do? You have to do nothing, guys, and don't worry. Yeah, by mistakenly if you have just kept anywhere your device, and you did not, yeah, you are unable to recognize that where you have kept your device, in that situation also, what you will do? You need to alarm on that device. Suppose, of course, how you will alarm it that where you have kept? By a location, of course, easily you can trace that's where it's your device. So simply for all the things, I will come in a PC or laptops, and simply I will open the Google Chrome browser, and there login cloud.coms. This is the official website of Apple, and I will click on a find my. So we will have option here to find my. Now see, guys, here I would like to show you this phone. Suppose is anywhere. Now see, guys, here I am on this browser. Just let me keep this one a small size device so that will be more visible the browser. Now see, guys, just you need to click on a device. What are the device connected? Of course you will see here on all devices, at the moment one devices. So now see, guys, I have clicked on this. Now I will play the bell. So what's the alarm will be? Now see, guys, it's alarming. Find my phone, it's welling, guys. Now see, it's welling. Of course second time I can play it, of course many times, on the basis of your flashlight will be on, and of course it will well. So now see, it's welling. So it's a one kind of the alert. Second one, suppose you have a some very important data that you don't want to keep on this. So by using here, directly you can erase all the data that is available on this iCloud as well as on this device especially. Everything will be erased by clicking here. Suppose you have lost and you would like to, yeah, you have kept anywhere, by mistakenly you forgot that. In the situation you can leave your number also, and you can disable the whole phone. So let's see, I will click on this lost mode and I will switch on. Now see, guys, here we have a one opportunity. that enter any number here. Suppose I enter one number. See, enter the phone number, thus you can be erased, it will be shown there. So what I will do guys here, just I will enter the number. Let's see anything number. This one is my mobile number. Now for example guys, now what I will do here, suppose I have lost my phone, I will click on here and I will go for next. Any message that you can, that this device has been lost, yeah, I have lost my phone, please call me on this number, etc, etc, and I will click on done. So suppose anyone who got in my device, what will happen guys, this phone will be completely disabled. And next one, what it will be, now see guys, this phone has been lost, please call on this number, show. How quietly good. If anybody who has a got in your device, that person will call to you by clicking on this call options. And it's also saying that where it's your device, near about this area, it's your device. So by using computer, everything I am doing, I am operating my device, and I am closing, I am shutting down, I am just disable of this device, everything, and I am tracing also. So how it's a quietly good security for this Apple device by using Find My Device guys. Now you see, this phone is a completely disabled. If anyone who would like to use or consume, of course they cannot. Now suppose that person called you and you have a taken, then of course you can take it back your complaint. Just stop loss mode, and of course it will be completely it will be a completely of course disable this function. So stop this mode, I will go. Now see guys, here I would like to show you guys due to some now see it has been offed, and let me go on my this Apple device. Let me take it on my desktop, this one's. Now see guys, here yes, it's turned off your location, fine, I have done it. Now let me keep this device on my desktop. Now here it is. Now see guys, it has been completely disabled, and of course now once again we can use it. So here one thing more I would like to tell you guys here. Exactly you would like to trace the location that where it is your device, then what you will do and how it will be. Simply you need to go in a just to see. If you would like to erase, I have already mentioned to you, this is for well. And now what I will do guys, here I will click on this Find My. Now see here, cloud drive, photos, everything, all the contact number, all the details, by using it you will be able to operate and of course use it. But here one thing more that I would like to tell you guys. Suppose any urgent message that you would like to type here. So what you will do, simply just we will go on a next and we will write please, for example, please call urgent, and suppose I type here. Now see, if anyone your relative who is using this device, directly what we will get a message. Now see guys, here yes, please call urgent. So now I'm using my computer, and of course I am operating this iPhone device. What's a quietly good security, guys? Even if of course by using this one I can trust it where it is and where that person is using this device, where is the exact location of this device. So how it's easy, and of course how smoothly it's functional. On a what's location, if I go in a detail, of course by clicking here it will take a time and all the details will give you in a, of course in a deep way, what is around there. Exact location will tell you, but it will take a time and it's totally dependent on your internet speed. So guys, here just I am going to sign out of this feature at the moment from this Chrome browser, and once again I would like to come on my this iPhone device. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, related to this, of course, feature, if you would like to, there are a lot of the feature, especially in this Find My Phone, of course various kind of the issues, but 2 3 is more important. So this is all about in this video tutorial, as we know that this video is going to be a lengthy. So if you would like to have the more information on it, just raise the comment below the comment box. I will once again record to you. So this is all about in this video. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.